Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today because I am finally tackling these kitchen drawers that have been driving me crazy. Okay, so I'm talking about these. Every time I move this, that happens. I'm sure you guys can relate. And so you can organize these, but they just look like this again in a day or two. So I have those, and then I have some on the other side that don't have much stuff in them. But let me show you guys what I bought to put in here, some drawer dividers. Super excited about these. I got them on Amazon to hopefully clean this out. I didn't realize that I had to put these together, so let's see if these instructions are easy. And I'm also excited to let you guys know that today's video is in collaboration with Amanda at Mind Your Matters, and she is doing a One Hot Mess May. It's a huge collaboration with a bunch of ladies. All of us are organizing some area in our home. When Amanda contacted me, I immediately told her yes because we have been chatting on YouTube and Instagram, and she is just so much fun, and I know that you guys are going to find so much value out of this collaboration. So I hope that you will check out the link in the description box below after you watch my video, and I hope you find some new channels to enjoy, watch, and subscribe to.
It's never ready. Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes slow, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy.
So as I have been organizing in my kitchen, I have been going through and removing all of the old shelf liners, and eventually I'll go and replace them, but right now I'm just cleaning out the drawers. On this particular day, I was using the LA's Totally Awesome multi-purpose cleaner, and then I was just going back with my Dyson vacuum to get up any like chunks of dust and dirt and stuff like that.
Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, there's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's a remedy, remedy. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's the remedy, remedy, yeah.
Okay, so I'm still trying to play around with how I want to do this. These drawers are so deep. Like seriously, I think stuff's still gonna slide. So I would love if I had one going this way, but these are definitely too long. I think it would be cool to have one going this way and have some stuff going there. These ones going vertically would butt up against the one going horizontally. I feel like that would work so much better. So I might look into that, and I think my utensils are gonna still slide, but this is much improved so far, and it's gonna just take a little tweaking to kind of see how I want everything. I was trying to decide what was the easiest way to stick them in there, but then also make it where, you know, things weren't in their way, but the most common used things were here. These are the items that have not gone back in there yet because they're lesser used items. And I have space in the drawers on the other side of the island. So I'm going to put those together there. Okay, so this is all cluttery? What, you know what I'm saying? And then this is barbecue stuff. All that's in this one is these popsicle sticks. I'm gonna move this somewhere else for crafts. And this is taco stuff. So I basically have like essentially 2 empty drawers. So I'm gonna rearrange everything to see how I can get all this to work better for our family.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack.
Okay, we have this from, I'm not sure where these came from, but we've had these forever and we don't need these. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the pile for Goodwill.
How could we let love go? How could we move on?
Okay, I feel like I come to this cabinet first all the time. So I'm putting every lesser used items this way. So I'm gonna transfer this to here. These are all my lesser used like cooking things, like avocados things and things for chopping up boiled eggs and, you know, an apple core, all that kind of stuff. But I still reach for that more often than I do these plastics. So I'm gonna move all this stuff to here and then that stuff's gonna go in here.
Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love
All right, so this is what it's looking like. I mean, this doesn't look the best. It's a little cluttered looking, but it's gonna keep it from sliding and keep it like in one spot. These are all items I don't use very often. So I won't be going in this drawer very often. So I don't mind if I have to move something out of the way to grab something from the back because it's not an everyday thing, if that makes sense. Now this is all of our, you know, plastic stuff. And then this is the barbecue stuff. Now I do have one more of these left, so I'm trying to decide where I want to use that at. But all in all, I'm super happy with how this turned out. I feel so much better already. I've been wanting to do this for years, you guys, and this literally took me less than 20 minutes to do. So that's pretty crazy when you think about it. This is something that's really been driving me crazy. And look how awesome it looks. So I will say that this is the only stuff I didn't put back in there because it all goes somewhere else. And then these are going to Goodwill. Everything else went back in the cabinets and I'm so happy with how it turned out. All right, so I figured out where I want to use this extra one. This drawer, I have a hard time keeping, you know, from everything sliding around. So I'm going to put that right in the middle. I just kind of measured it to see if it would fit, and I think it's going to fit perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and do this really quickly, and that's going to really help right here as well. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to go down in the description box below and check out the collaboration, all the other ladies who are doing this. We're actually all going to be posting our videos all throughout this entire week. So some videos already went up yesterday on Sunday, and then they will continue through this Saturday. So it will completely be the entire week. So make sure you guys go in the description box below and check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not already. So here's just a final overview of how this drawer turned out. It's definitely not perfect, but it's much better. And you can see when I wiggle the drawer back and forth, stuff doesn't move around nearly as easily as it did before. So I am loving these, and I could definitely see more drawer dividers in my future.